Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your own custom clothing showcase just like this. Now without further ado, let's get started. Now, first of all, you need to get your dimensions right. I created this showcase using precise dimensions and my own custom design up here. Now, there will be a download link in the description to get a default dimensions for your showcase. And what you have to do is you take one of your uniforms and manually copy paste the areas. So first of all, we take the torso and put it right here. You have to make sure that it's all aligned and does not go over. It is really annoying when you have to redo everything just because of one simple mistake, believe me. And then we're going to do the same for the back. Again, get it all precise. And then we move on to the arms. Now, keep in mind, this is the front of the arm, this is the back of the arm. These are the only two that we'll be using. So copy the front of the arm, which is the first square. Go ahead and copy that. And you want to place the right front on the right and the left front on the left. Just like that. But hang on, now we have to move on to the back. Well, the back is a bit different because it's kind of inverted. So you need to go here, take the back side of the arm, and instead of putting it on the right, you'll be putting it on the left. Because remember, this is flipped. You're gonna come here and do the same. And there you go. Voila! Your torso area is complete. Then you just use your magic tool, set transparency to white, just to make sure nobody can see that at all. And then we move on to the pants. Alright, so now we're going to do the exact same, except we're not using the top anymore. We're using the pants. So we're going to copy the first one and align it. There you go. Just gonna move on to our next. And we're gonna come here and do the exact same. We're gonna take the backhand, backside, whatever you call it. And we're gonna put it inverted. Now you might realize here, this specifically is a Roman uniform. And you might realize that the lines are not aligned, but if I did it like this, it would be aligned. Well, believe me, it may look weird in your showcase, but the way Roblox sets it up makes it look perfect. And believe me, if you use any other asset, you'll realize that if you put it where you think it's supposed to be, it will not work and it will just look weird. And that's why we invert the back side. And there you have it. We're going to set all the transparency to white, and that's how easy it gets. You've just created your own custom showcase template. Now, as I said, there will be a down link in the description with the outlines to the dimensions, and you can create your own design up here. And really, it's all customizable by you. You can choose a license if you want. I've added the Attribution 4.0 International Creative Commons license. There will be a link to it in the description. And really, there's nothing else to it. Ladies and gentlemen, have a nice day. Remember to like and subscribe, and goodbye.